Maestro, pwede pong magtanong, ano pong tawag dun sa sequence na nag-a-add ng number para makuha po yung next term? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we're going to talk about one special type of sequence. And yun yung question ni Tutoy kanina. Ano daw ang tawag sa sequence na nag-a-add ng constant number para makuha yung next term? Ano nga ba ang tawag dito? That is called arithmetic sequence. And if you want to know more about arithmetic sequence, watch this.
Mula sa definition ng sequence, you have learned that each term is related to the preceding term following a definite rule. At this time, we're going to talk about one special type of sequence, and that is arithmetic sequence. Let us illustrate first an arithmetic sequence. Considering this given finite sequence, we have 1, 3, 5, and 7. So, alamin natin yung pattern. From 1, naging 3. From 3, naging 5. And from 5, naging 7. So, makikita natin or mapapansin na natin na nag-add tayo ng 2. Bakit? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2, that is 5. And 5 plus 2, that is 7. Now, meron tayong constant term. Paano natin makukuha yung constant term gamit yung sequence? Or constant na i-add natin. Pwede natin gawin ay 3 minus 1, so that is equal to 2. 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. Now, how about this given infinite sequence? So, hanapin natin ang pattern ng infinite sequence na ito. From negative 3 naging negative 6, from negative 6 naging negative 9, from negative 9 naging negative 12. So, kung mapapansin natin, nag-add tayo na negative 3. Same thing, negative 6 plus negative 3, and negative 9 plus negative 3. Okay. Ngayon, paano natin nakukuha itong constant? Pwede nyo magawin ay negative 6 minus negative 3, that is the same as negative 3. And so on and so forth. So ngayon, ito ay example ng special type of sequence which is known as the arithmetic sequence. So base sa mga example na yun, mapapansin natin na ang arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which each term after the first is obtained by adding a constant to the preceding term. So, makikita natin na ang arithmetic sequence ay nag-a-add ng isang constant to the preceding term para makuha yung next term. At kapag ganong case ang meron sa isang sequence, ang tawag doon ay arithmetic sequence. Now, the constant number is called the common difference. Itong 2 at negative 3 na constant number na ini-add natin sa preceding term, ang tawag sa kanya ay common difference. And we denote that as D. To get the difference, we subtract a sub 1 from a sub 2, or in symbol, that is a sub 2 minus a sub 1. Pwede nyo rin gamitin ang a sub 4 minus a sub 3, a sub 3 minus a sub 2, or kahit anong term as long as magkasunod sila sa sequence. Para makuha natin ang end term ng arithmetic sequence, gagamitin natin ang formula na a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d, where a sub 1 is the first term, a sub n is the nth term or the term you are looking for, and d is the common difference. Ngayong alam na natin kung ano ang arithmetic sequence, dumako tayo sa mga example. First, find the 14th term of the arithmetic sequence 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. Since meron na tayong sequence at ang hahanapin natin ay 14th term, ang una natin gagawin ay isulat natin lahat ng given na makikita natin sa given sequence. Una, let us write the first term. Ang ating first term sa sequence, so that is designated as a sub 1, ay 5. Sunod, kunin natin ang common difference. So to get the common difference, that is a sub 2 minus a sub 1. Ang value ng ating a sub 2 ay 7 minus a sub 1, that is 5. And 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. So, ang ibig sabihin, ang common difference natin ay 2. At ang hinahanap natin ay a sub 14. Meaning, ang ating value ng n ay 14. Okay. So, para mahanap natin ang a sub 14, unang gagawin natin, isulat natin ang formula. So, ang formula para makuha ang n term ng arithmetic sequence ay a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times the common difference. Then, let us substitute. So, ating a sub n ay a sub 14. Since itong ating hinahanap, ang ating a sub 1 ay 5 plus ang n natin ay 14 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 2. Ngayon, isimplify natin ito. So, a sub 14 equals 5 plus 14 minus 1, that is 13, times 2. After nyan, i-multiply natin yung 13 and 2. So, a sub 14 equals 5 plus 13 times 2, that is 26. Then, i-add natin. So, a sub 14 is equal to 5 plus 26 is equal to 31. Ibig sabihin, ang ating a sub 14 or the 14th term of the sequence ay 31. Ngayon naman, hanapin natin ang 11th term ng sequence na 17, 13, 9, and so on. Kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, isulat natin ang value ng a sub 1. So, ang a sub 1 ay equal sa 17. At ang ating common difference, so kunin natin. So, that is a sub 2, which is 13 minus a sub 1. So, 13 minus ang ating a sub 1 natin ay 17. And 13 minus 17, ang sagot ay negative 4. Ibig sabihin, ang ating common difference ay negative 4. Sunod, ang hinahanap natin ay a sub 11. Kung a sub 11 ang hinahanap natin, ibig sabihin ang value ng n ay 11. Ngayon, i-substitute natin ito sa formula. So, the formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times the common difference. Then, substitute natin ang mga given values. So, a sub n, ang hinahanap natin ay a sub 11. So, a sub 11 equals, a sub 1 natin ay 17, plus, ang value ng n natin ay 11, minus 1 times the common difference, which is negative 4. Then, isimplify natin ang nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, magiging a sub 11 equals 17 plus 11 minus 1, yan ay equal sa 10, times negative 4. Then, let us multiply 10 and negative 4. So, a sub 11 equals 17 plus 10 minus 4, 10 times rather. So multiply 10 times negative 4, that is negative 40. Then let's add a sub 11 equals 17 plus negative 40 is equal to negative 23. Bakit negative 23? Kapag magkaiba ang sign na ating i-add, so we're going to subtract, then copy the sign of the larger number. So, alin dyan ang may mas malaking absolute value? So, itong 40. Kaya ang ating sign ay negative. So, 17 plus negative 40 ay equal sa negative 23. Ngayon, ibig sabihin, ang ating 11th term ay negative 23. Paano naman kung ang hinahanap natin ay ang first term? Kagaya nito. The 16th term of an arithmetic sequence is 48. If the common difference is 3, find the first term. So, isulat muna natin ang given. Ang sabi, ang given dyan ay 16th term. Ibig sabihin, ang ating 16th term daw ay 48. Kung ang 16th term natin ay 48, ang value ng n ay 16. At given din ang common difference, which is 3. Ang gagawin natin, i-substitute lang natin ang given value sa formula na a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Ngayon, ang hinahanap natin ay ang value ng a sub 1. Substitute natin. Ang a sub n natin ay 16th term, so that is 48 equals a sub 1 plus ang value ng n natin ay 16 minus 1 times the common difference na 3. Okay, so isimplify muna natin ang part na ito. So 48 equals a sub 1 plus 16 minus 1, ito ay equal sa 15 times 3. Then let's multiply 15 and 3. Equal siya sa 48 equals a sub 1 plus 15 times 3 equal yan sa 45. Ngayon, ilipat natin ang 45 sa other side. So, we can use the addition property of equality or the transposition method. So, kung maglilipat tayo ng number or integer sa kabilang side, magbabago siya ng sign. Kung ito ay positive, magiging negative. At kung ito ay negative, magiging positive. Since ito ay positive 45, pag nilipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative 45. So, 48 minus or negative 45 equals a sub 1. Now, let us subtract 48 minus 45, that is 3 equals a sub 1, or a sub 1 equals 3. Ibig sabihin, ang ating first term ay 3. How about this one? What if we are looking for the common difference? Like this example. If a sub 1 is equal to 5 and a sub 17 equals 17, find the common difference. So, isulat natin ang mga given. Ang ating a sub 1 ay 5. At ang ating n term, so we're going to let a sub 7 as our n term, is equal to 17. Kung ito ang n terms, ibig sabihin ang value ng n natin ay 7. At ang hinahanap natin ay ang common difference. Okay, so substitute natin sila sa formula for n term of an arithmetic sequence. So a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times the common difference. So, substitute natin. Ang value natin a sub n natin ay 17 equals, ang a sub 1 natin ay 5 plus, kung 17 ang ating n term, ang ibig sabihin, ang n natin ay 7 minus 1 times the common difference na hinahanap natin. Okay, so let's simplify. 17 equals 5 plus 7 minus 1 is 6 times the common difference, which is d. Ngayon, ilipat natin ang 5 sa kabila. So, that will become 17 minus 5 equals 6d. At 17 minus 5 equal yan sa 12 equals 6d. Since merong numerical coefficient ang d na 6, we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 6, or the numerical coefficient of d, para ang matira lang ay d. Dahil 6d divided by 6 ay d, or we can cancel that. So, 12 divided by 6, 2 equals d. Or, simply, the common difference is equal to 2. Paano kung ang hinahanap ay ang value ng n? Kagaya ng example na ito. In an arithmetic sequence, negative 7, negative 4, negative 1, 2, and so on, what is term 44? Ibig sabihin, tinatanong kung pang ilan ang term na 44. So, isulat muna natin ang given. Unahin natin ang value ng a sub 1. So, or the first term. So, a sub 1 is equal to, ang first term natin ay negative 7. Sunod, hanapin natin ang value ng common difference. So, a sub 2 minus a sub 1. Ang a sub 2 natin ay negative 4 minus ang a sub 1 natin ay negative 7. To subtract this, change the sign ng subtrahend. Kung ito ay positive, magiging negative, at kung negative, magiging positive. So, again, magiging negative 4 plus 7. Then, proceed to addition. And negative 4 plus 7 ay equal sa 3. Ibig sabihin, ang common difference natin ay 3. And ang n term natin ay 44. Ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap natin ay value ng n. Para makuha natin ang value ng n, sulat muna natin ang formula for the n term of an arithmetic sequence. Ito ay a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Ngayon, isubstitute natin. Ang ating a sub n ay 44 equals a sub 1 natin ay negative 7 plus n minus 1 times the common difference, which is 3. Then, let us simplify. 44 equals negative 7 plus, let us distribute 3 to each term inside the parenthesis. Let's multiply. 3 times n equals 3n. Then 3 times negative 1, that is negative 3. Okay. Then, let us combine like terms. Ito at ito. So, 44 equals negative 7 plus negative 3, that is negative 10 plus 3n. Then, ilipat natin sa kabilang side ang negative 10. So, magiging positive siya. 44 plus 10 equals 3n. And 44 plus n, that is 54, equals 3n. Since merong numerical coefficient ang n, so dapat ang matira lang ay n, we're going to divide both sides of the equation by the numerical coefficient na 3. Ayan. 54 divided by 3 is equal to 80. Equals 3n divided by 3, that is n. Or n is equal to 8. Ibig sabihin, ang 44 ay pang 18th term ng sequence. Now I want you to try this. Find the 11th term of the sequence negative 7, negative 4, negative 1, and so on. Number 2, if a sub 1 is equal to 5 and a sub n equals 395 and d equals 5, find the value of n. And last, if a sub 1 is equal to negative 8 and a sub 5 is equal to 4, find the common difference.
At dyan po nagtatapos ang video natin today. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo about arithmetic sequence. Still po, kung may question kayo, don't hesitate to write your questions sa comment section. At kung nasagutan nyo po yung assessment na binigay kanina, write your answer still sa comment section. I would like to take this opportunity po to thank everyone, lalo na po ang aking 1,024 subscribers. So maraming salamat po sa patuloy niyong suporta mula po nung umpisa, nung July 29 hanggang ngayon po. So maraming salamat po. Wala po ako dito kung hindi niyo po ako sinusuportahan. Anyways, sana po samahan niyo po ulit ako next time sa panibago na namang kaalamang ihahatid ko po sa inyo. Once again, this is Sir J, ang inyong maestro ng Sipnayan na nag-iiwan ng katagang mag-aral at matuto.